Now it's telling me, God is telling me number 12, so I pick 12.
12. Sigurado na. Larry! Kaya, tingnan nyo, si Backer, nagumanda! Napakaswerte mong nilalang. Backer. Correct. Kaya nga pati si Backer pinapaalala, texters all over the Philippines, this is your chance to become a millionaire! Okay. Alam mo na, naiyak na ako kasi ito yung pinakamalaking offer na gagawin ko sa buong buhay ko. Backers offers now. Texters, bago nyo marinig yung offer, mag-text sa utang na loob. $2,250,000!
Thank you.
Okay, wait. May I talk him through it? It's not a very hard decision to make. Ang natitira lang, 2 million at 3 million. Press the button, sure ka that additional 250,000. Pero, if I were you, go all the way because this could have 3 million pesos. Pero siyempre, malaki din talaga yung 250,000 na yan. This happens once in a lifetime, Alan.
Opo.
Sino bang magtatadhana na from America, pupunta ka dito? 4 na buwan ka pa lang nandito, nagpunta ka sa Pilipinas para makipagsapalaran to try your luck dahil baka naman may basketball career dito.
Opo.
You came here also dahil minahal mo na si Melissa. Bumalik ka sa Pilipinas at tinan mo kung gaano kalaking biyaya ang binigay sa'yo. Maraming mga nabibiyayaan na pwedeng mag-abroad, magkaroon ng magandang buhay, pero may mga pamilyang naiiwan dito. So maybe this is God's way of making you share the blessings, not just with your immediate family, but with many, many more people, Alan. Kasi naniniwala ako, di ba, na nabigay sa iyo to dahil meron kang misyon. So it's up to you now. Are we going all the way? Or are you pressing that button?
I'm going all the way.
Healer notice! To all the texters, at this point, cut off na. Hindi na pwedeng mag-text, okay? But to all the texters, magpasalamat kayo kay Alan. Nang dahil sa kanya, sigurado na isa sa inyo, milyonaryo na ngayong gabi. Ang nilalaman, pwedeng 2 million or 3 million. Kathy, sigurado ng milyon ang nasa loob niya. Sinong may hawak nito? Justine, umakyat ka dito. dyan, sa gitna. This can have 2 million or 3 million. I'll give you the privilege. The only other time nag-allow ako na sabayan ako magbukas was nung merong 1 million and 2 million. Si Terry yun. So, ikaw dito, ako dito ah. On the count of 1, 2, 3. Open. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. It is 2 million pesos. Kathy, buksan na. 3 million was birthday for you.
Thank you so much.
You are millionaire number 6. Join him, please, Daddy. Nice.
I told you, I got it.
Daddy, bakit mo siya pinasok dito?
Siguro panahon na para yung exposure niya si Al sa pagbabasketball. So,
Ano bang position mo?
point guard po.
Well, hi, banker. Why? Suicidal ka ba? Yes, banker. So, kakausapin mo siya? Okay, banker will talk to you.
Hi, banker. Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you. Opo. Thank you very much po. Bye.
Ano sinabi ni banker sa'yo?
I'm so lucky and put it to good use po.
Okay. Sabay-sabay tayo ulit pumalakpak. In one night, we have 2 millionaires! The studio player and the texter! Magkita-kita tayo ulit dito sa pinakamayaman at pinaka-generous na programa, ang kapamilya, Phil Hernandez!